Hedera HBAR holders, welcome to the video. I'm cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. We're going to talk about what's going on in the world of Hedera HBAR and take a look at some price predictions as well as some news surrounding the coin. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you guys so much. I just reached 6,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I really, really appreciate all your support over the past couple of years. It's been very, very fun. Looking forward to what's to come. And HBAR is one that I am betting on pretty big. HBAR is looking really, really primed. Look at this thing run up from 15 cents up to 20 just in the matter of a few days. This thing is looking primed to blow up. So we're going to talk about what some price targets could be here. But first, we are going to take a look quickly at the news. Hedera joins the central bank-led project at Acadia. It's a stablecoin research accelerating initiative, right? So they're joining this ongoing project led by the Reserve Bank of Australia and the Finance Cooperative Research Center to explore digital money. Project Acadia is going to explore how digital money could support the development of Australia's broad tokenized market. So we know, Hedera is big into that. It's big into, the carbon footprints and a number of different things, but they are prime up in front and center with helping with defining regulation when it comes to digital assets and such. And this is perfect project for them. Now, the team has conditionally selected 24 innovative use cases ranging from local fintechs to major banks. 19 pilot use cases are reported to involve real money and real asset transactions, and the remaining 5 are said to be proof of concept use case involving simulation transactions. Now, this is going to include a variety of assets such as private markets, fixed income, trade receivables, and carbon credits. So pretty cool. They are always, out there networking and building and, front and center, like I said, in terms of digital asset regulation and, exploring basically the boundaries and beyond of what crypto and and digital assets are basically made for. So we are looking at a strong chart structure right now. We are showing rising volume and lower highs. So we can see, I'm actually going to change this here for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. So right now, we are above both the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages. This article says that we're moving alongside the daily close above the both 50-day, but we've blown past that. That was around the 17-cent mark. We are now up around the 20-cent mark right now, as in terms of price action. As of the recording of this video, HBAR is sitting at about 20 cents. So really good descending wedge pattern here showed on the chart. So we can see this this top trend line here. This is a descending right here. We can see. So this marks basically the highs where it got rejected, right? So you can see how they were coming down and the lows were also coming down as well. That means the price was basically dropping. So now we can see here that towards this apex, which is the close of these two trend lines, we can see where we broke out here. So this is basically where we are looking at in terms of price action in the near future. The pattern formed higher lows while the price compressed towards that wedge. The gradual climb we could see to 26 to 30 cents, which 30 cents would be that psychological barrier as well, right? So that'd be like resistance point. While the more aggressive scenario looks towards the 50-cent range. Now, I think, if we can blow through that 30-cent mark, I think we're on the right path up to 40 cents. 50 cents is really pushing it. And, I'm talking about like short term, right? 50 cents would be really pushing it. However, the more the merrier. But, realistic targets for right now, I'm looking at, probably the 28 to 30 cent range, and then probably beyond that to like the 39, 40 cent range. I'm talking short term, right? So that would be a very, very exponential move up for HBAR. The price recorded a very good 24-hour gain. This says 7%, but I think it's actually up more towards the 16.2% as of the last 24 hours. So things are moving along very, very fast for HBAR. So that's what I got for you guys today. I'm actually heading out with my girlfriends. We go away on girls' trips every once in a while, and we're heading down to the South Shore in Nova Scotia, and we're going to be staying at a resort and, just, having fun on the beach, all that good stuff, hot tub, all that good stuff. So I'm going to cut this short. I just wanted to get this out for you guys because HBAR is primed. It is juicy. It is looking really, really good. So, a number of other assets are also looking really well. Bitcoin obviously smashing all-time highs in the last couple of days. It's really nice to see the market back. Hopefully, Trump keeps his mouth shut with all the trade stuff. I know him talking about Canada right now, and it doesn't seem to be affecting the market too bad. So hopefully things stay, basically where they are and continue to move up, because God knows we need a little bit of positive momentum. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.